Greetings! In this video, we want to review together how to do simulation with the help of Modelsim tool. So let's open the Modelsim. It's recommended to use the starter version of Modelsim because it's free and it's for educational purposes and you don't need to pay for using this tool. I'll try to upload it and give you the link to download and use it. The 10th edition of this tool. So from menu bar, from file, from new, we choose project. For making a new project, I give it the name GLE2. GLE stands for gate level example number 2. Then for project location, from browse, we choose the path that we want the project's files to be stored. I choose it as the location of my project. Then for the library name, I choose the default name Walk, and I don't change anything else here. I confirm it. Now the Modelsim created our project. Then I have to add Verilog files or create new ones because I want to create new ones here. I give it the name encoder 422. I choose the file type Verilog for it. I confirm it. I add another one, encoder 422 testbench. I change the file type to Verilog. Then I open the Verilog here. Then from here, which I designed the encoder 421, then I described it in Verilog here. I copy and paste it. Then for the test bench, I do the same copy and paste job. Paste it. Then I go to the Verilog, to the project directory. I right click, then I choose compiler from compile. Then I go to the transcript and we can see that there is no syntax errors. Then from the menu bar, we choose start simulation from the simulate. Then from the design, from the Vogue that we chose for our library name, we click on the encoder 422 test bench and we confirm. It's going to set up the simulation waveform for us, where we can see the waveform of our designs. But we have a problem, so we have to fix the problem. The error says us that missing instance name in instantiation of encoder 42. So we have to check what happened in our test bench, because the error is in the test bench file. So from here we can see that we didn't give it name, so we gave U0 as its name. We come back to our Modelsim, we compile all again. There is no errors, so from simulate we choose start simulation again. From Vogue library we select the test bench. You can see that it's working this time. From sim default, from the encoder 422 test bench, you have to make sure that it is selected. Then from add to wave we choose all items in region, so you can see that these signals are listed here. So then from here we determine the time that we want the simulation to be done for us. I give it the 100 nanoseconds. Then by clicking F9 or this button, we can do the simulation. We can do some zoom out, so we can see that valid. And so let's, from here we can check the output. So let's make sure that our encoder is working correctly. When it's one input, so it has to give us 0 0, it's correct. When it's 0 1, so the out should be 1, and when it's 1 1, it has to give us 1, it's correct. It has to give us 2, and it gives us 2, so it's correct 2. And here it gives us 3. It encodes, indeed it encodes correctly. And here it gives us 3 because it ignores other ones. Here it considers the MSB. So in this video we saw how to do a simulation in Modelsim tool. We learned how to make a new project, then add Verilog files or make new ones and put our code in the file, then start simulation and make sure that our design is working correctly with the help of waveform. Thank you for your time and attention.